What am I doing this evening? Just having fun. I not really get to put out no video, So me there relax and a bill in Jamaica, whether say bill back or chill. But what me I do now, guess what I'm doing? Smoking up the place. So that no look at bad mosquito cannot get me. Welcome to my channel, every viewer. This is Koja Country Lifestyle up there. The fan. Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Having fun chasing away the mosquitoes in Jamaica. Some people in the city cannot do this. My friend Stamina said down at Texas, he cannot do that because the city code does not permit or allow it. The storm is over in Florida, Tampa area and those areas. Cut cross through Florida this morning, I think, disappear and gone to the Atlantic side. You heard that some people lost their life from all those tornadoes. Wow, and a lot of flooding. This is a real beautiful life, just looking at the smoke here in Jamaica. Whoa. Cindy, never saw you there. My friend never asked for Cindy. The simple life cottage in. And my friend, all of my friends, them, like Cecile, Barbara. You cannot do this in Australia, Barbara. The lady will come like a detective, everything Barbara observe. Look for my finger, Barbara, dirty. I was greater in busy. Thing called busy. Said, you know busy, Barbara. Anyone who know busy, leave a comment if you don't know the busy. Or I say busy. Busy plant or busy tea. Busy. We love busy tea. I had mint tea this morning. What type of tea did you have, my fans? Coffee? Or cocoa or chocolate? Or bush tea? Smoke pretty. Stamina. What you like? What kind of tea you like, Stamina? Cecile, which one you like? Who else never asked? Catty Chin, tell me what type of tea you like best. Who else may have to ask? Myla, what you like? Whoa, nature. It's fun looking at the smoke in the rural Jamaica. Vices in the evening. I don't know where Cindy turn, Can't get to catch a video with Cindy. Look at the natural mystic flowing through the air. Look there. My fans. Fire will burn you. Look there. This is like Christmas fireplace. Oh gosh. You can smell the bush them burning. Just I enjoy looking at it anyway. Fun. Fun from Koja Country Lifestyle. Big up every fans worldwide. Wherever you are viewing from, we always love you. Telling us say so no beautiful and no special here. We not deal with no crime and violence thing, That not helping this time right now. Too much violence. Killing and looting, that not make it. It's about love and unity, me I say. What's for dinner? I feel like I had fries too nice, soft, spongy flour, dumpling, little more, and set up some saltfish with some tomato and scotch bonnet pepper and some nice drinks, If I have a lemonade or if I want to make tea, all depends, I have all Irish mash and drink. So we see little more after me fry up my dumpling them. And my codfish, whoever eat fried dumpling with saltfish and tomato, you know, like plum tomato. Just cut up your tomato with this good pepper. I saw Cindy, this is Cindy them. What you doing? Cindy, where you looking? Catch in there. Oh, she want to catch the lizards. Oh, these lizards, you see. Yeah, you see what you want to catch the lizards. That's good. Lizards are, yeah, lizards run up in the tree. Lizards rush up on the banana tree and gone. See good pepper them. If we go with the dumpling and saltfish. Lot of pepper will be upon this tree. Whoa, whoa, there are tons of pepper. Everything Barbara see. Let me know she notice everything. Look like mold from the you see everything that me burn. That yeah, that lizard's bad. The lizards no make you catch it. And no make you catch it. Trash. Thanks everyone for watching. Now lizards no make my cat get the lizards disappear. Cat just seek if you can't get no more. So please leave a comment, my fans. Big up from Jamaica. Please leave your comment, you know. More strength, more unity, more love from Jamaica.